Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have two very important stories, and these two major stories, both of them are heartbreaking and deeply concerning. First, we will go to Ruweng administrative area, where 4 soldiers from the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Forces, were killed in a deadly ambush. Then we will move north to Atbara, Sudan, where many South Sudanese citizens, including children, elders, were reportedly deported in a sudden government operation. Stay tuned until the end as we break down what really happened, what it means for South Sudan, and what action are needed to protect the people everywhere. Before we proceed, please hit the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so when we upload a new video you can be notified. We have to begin with our first top story, ambush in Ruweng administrative area. Let's start with this breaking news. From Ruweng administrative area on Sunday morning around 8:30 a.m. a team of South Sudan People Defense Forces SSPDF soldier was reportedly ambushed between Jakwach and Bombil while they were carrying out a reconnaissance and intelligence mission. Local sources confirmed that 4 SSPDF soldiers lost their life in the attack. Medical officials in Biemnam say the incident involved suspected army use from Mayom County in Unity State. According to a military medical officer named Gareng Noon, who served at the Abimnam base, the soldiers were patrolling a thick forest area when they came under a sudden heavy gunfire. The patrol team consisted of 11 officers. 3 of them were killed on the spot, and several others were wounded, some critically. Sadly, one more soldier later died from his injured, and this brings the total number of deaths to 4. Now, who were these attackers, and what led to this deadly ambush? Military reports say the attackers are believed to be part of a local army group from Mayom County, loyal to a spiritual leader known as Deng Dit. Deng Dit is a spiritual leader. His group, the group of Deng Dit, reportedly operated in a way similar to another well-known figure in the area by the name Gai Machek. These army use have been linked to raid and ambushes in part of Ruweng, Warab, and Twiji state, often attacking security patrol and stealing cattle from nearby villages. The medical officer say something. He said that the attacker were led by a man by the name Gareng, said to be the son of spiritual leader Deng Dit. During the confrontation, South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF soldiers fought back, and 4 members of the army group were killed before they fled into the bushes. Authorities later identified the 4 soldiers who died in the bush or in the ambush during the incident. Number 1 by the name Daniel Atianakwe from Turale, Warab State. Second soldier Deng Ayuel, also from Turale. He was among the wounded and later died at Turale Hospital. Third, Deng Atak Deng from Mazol Payam in Awil East County. And number 4 is Maror Malim from Warab State. The injured soldiers were identified as Yasir Michael and Akun Bul Madut. Those killed were laid to rest at the Abiomnom military base, except the one who died in hospital and was later taken home to his family in Twitch County for burial. This is very sad news. Following the attack, the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force Command in Bimnam, has reportedly increased security patrol and launched operation to locate the army group responsible for the attack. The command also assured the families of the fallen soldier that their sacrifice would not be forgotten and promised to provide necessary support. However, this incident adds to the growing insecurity across South Sudan, where local revenge attack, cattle raid, and community-based violence continue to threaten peace and stability in the country. Community reaction. People in the area have expressed sadness and frustration, questioning why such attacks keep happening even when peace talks are ongoing. Community elders have urged the government, the South Sudan government, to strengthen protection in border area and to address the growing problem of youth militia who often act outside the law. They say the continued killing of soldiers and civilians will only delay peace and deepen division among communities. The Ruweng attack is a reminder that peace is still fragile in South Sudan. Even after years of agreement, army groups remain active and innocent people continue to pay the price. It is time for a stronger cooperation between local authorities, national forces, and community leaders to stop this cycle of violence. Let's move on to our second top story. Forced deportation in Atbara, Sudan. Please hit the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also share it with others. Now, let's move to our second story. This is a heartbreaking situation from Atbara in Sudan, where many South Sudanese families were reportedly deported by Sudanese authorities early today, in November 3rd, 2025. Eyewitnesses described the operation as sudden and forceful. Many families were not given time to gather their belongings. Some were dragged from their home in fear and confusion. The victims included women, children, and elderly people, many of whom had been living in Atbara for years after fleeing early conflict in South Sudan, the civil war in 2013. Local witnesses said Sudanese security officer arrived early in the morning, ordering all South Sudanese nationals to board truck headed out of the city. The operation reportedly caused panic and left many in tears. This action has sparked strong concern among human rights groups and humanitarian organizations. They say deporting vulnerable people, especially without notice or safe transportation, it violates international human rights and refugee law. Many of the deported families are believed to be stranded along the road without food. Condition become dangerous for them. Children are in poor condition because there's no food, there's no shelter, there's no money also. And some families have lost contact with their relative during the chaos. Community leaders and activists, are calling on the South Sudanese government to take urgent action to negotiate with Sudan government to assist stranded citizens and to bring them home safely. One local leader in Juba said, "Our people are suffering. We cannot remain silent while South Sudanese are being mistreated and forced out. The government must act quickly to help them return home." Many displaced South Sudanese have been living in Sudan since the outbreak of past civil war. Now, with the worsening conflict inside Sudan, their lives are again in danger. Activists are urging both government and international organizations to create safe corridors. for these people to return to South Sudan. They are also asking for humanitarian aid, food, shelter, and medical support. For those trapped between the border, the message is very clear. They need a rescue. The South Sudan government need to rescue the South Sudanese that trapped in Sudan. So far, international humanitarian agencies have expressed concern, but they have not yet confirmed an official plan to assist those deported from Atbara. Observers say this event shows the growing tension between Sudanese authorities and foreign nationals as the country continues to face internal instability. Dear viewer, both of today's stories, the ambush in Ruweng and the deportation in Atbara, show one thing. The people of South Sudan are still suffering from violence, instability, and lack of protection. It is a painful reality that we must not ignore. South Sudanese citizens, whether soldier protecting the border or civilian living in a foreign country, all of them, they deserve peace, safety, and respect. Joe Banling Abana Raketin Konlat Korodian, which kas South Sudan, Kene Sudan. Bana Jetuk Laranyam. John Yambaling was me Bana Rach Kakurana Chetuok. Here, Domi Cha, Native Konla Dini. SSPDF Chaga Perikatin. Gurno Jin be subscribe Changfied YouTube channel. Komisha tekamishi break gwasa me bashwamala shubikiji. Tuong na je ke report nchano ke Ruweng administrative area. Ke Sunday kerun wangalong ta badag mutega jendang diok. Bon South Sudan People Defense Force deni SSPDF. Waken shaka ambush ke chaka nyurika doran shwal ke ajakwach ke bombil kana wa jelken en area mo ka tugrobin let ken intelligent mission one gwazamo she local source can confirm no they need down one tela they need SSPDF wa she can take the kana badan gwazamo chala de wona ken chaka ambush ke chaka nyurika ngwane ti chore realika re ruop ramkel mila dul wal ka biemnom jen rami momela medical official chala de no shirega meche tuok kenetin kona dio ko gwasme ko kurana ci tuok kene ke ngweni ti jen kama yom county ku unity state shiji military medical officer ci kari por me ci keneno ramkel miladen gwasmo garang nun mila ramkel mila let ka biemnom base chala do wonena ken de ne SSPDF wa jel kan jel kare robnena jen gwas danen cha ka chunyur katin ka chwa chu barten en petrol team danen jel wa ken kane dang welkel to chala do chane dang diok cha ga ne ka jen gwas mu ji korche tuok chune ti ko kene sha mu ka bot chu gritin wa ka chu ka rodin chu bar ka jo chala gwas me wa ka kor ka men chikana chikan ka barne diok chikan kanak wa ne ko kene ko ya mu ka bot chu ram kel chu liu ka ka nyodo ne dangwan tila de ne SSPDF shigli wa na mo gwad da na chire ke tokten me jaga ko ne dangwan kene ko na chiriya kene de kontin na china mak no kene ko nakana wa ka ngani wa ken ke ngwan wetin yen kama yom county ke report an chanung la military report kigala ro ne kana attack rikene de content makana ken jen kan ngama yom county wa ken tiken ka korean mila spiritual leader la guk mo shwale dengdit me wajen leadership ka tayi dane la gai ma check mila spiritual leader bo la lere ka je ka bon wajen ta dana cooperate ka je kanediti ti shala no let kel ke dengdit waken ke ngwan la okla kan ka kwal kala ken ne de kola de ni ka Ruweng ka warab ka tuji ste la kan ka mek kele kan ka bush bikan ka mark la ken nyin ke ne kon tin la security tilat ke petrol which in mi wa la kanok la kan ka kwalbo ke jodan shalat ci medical officer ci la de wona ken tin kontin mark na tin na ke de ni dangwan kan wajel kan kel ka gat kwar gat kwar mo wa jen shwale garang wa gat spiritual leader kude shwalka me deng dit gwada chi SSPDF wa shi karumtin no wa shi kan kurji kana terka kan ngwana toto ngwana tijen kama yom tone wan wena mo chwane dangwan shwaka nakaka kan de kontil tinjen kama yom ngwan dangwan wa cha kwenken cha gajik pin gwada ran chi kurji toktin ka shu tan yen chu orden bar ne de kondila de ni tin sha nak kuje do den me ne ngwan we mean that chirme de kan ne dang badek ngwan tin de ndi ko ne anak ka jandor shal ke me abimnom ke de ni SSPDF Daniel Atiana kwe ramkel mit jen ka turale waran warab state deng ayul ramkel ka turale ba waramkel mi chamu ke bodbat ka kore cho liu dul wal ka turale hospital ko radin mi chala deng attack deng jena kama dol payam jen bo wa rana willis county chajenak ngwandien e marur malim ka warab state bom mi chanak jibon dangro yasir michael kana kun bol madut ne ti gane de moto chanak creation winimi kana tan den kon yamu ke bot jo me jen jo dan inshallah SSPDF correspondent jikan kan ko jikan ngajino kurche tok jikan security force midit jikan ga deploy ka jen gwada mo ka bimnom ko gwi ken no dong de ko der nyoko tok ka waken bogor kan deng dit kan ne gatin konin chala do jikan jikan ga naki jikan kambush no chajo mo chajo kwen shi command ne de kontila command ka SSPDF jo kan ne kontin cha nekenak kula shi man de nyen konin chanak jogan no ne ti chicken tek dien chabo ba kan chi tek dien kan sacrifice ka ku kuma ka ja mo cha ko ne kan mi che ne me ngai kon diala no ko to ko long rewi ka South Sudan ka cha ga long ka maka ba ka chong non kon ko rek dide rek chi matot den ta da ne linga je chana right kala ro gwase me gwa mi chala do ne na chanetin kontin la South Sudanese ti dire wecha ka Khartoum chala no shaga deport chala do chaka kep ko bom lo ka kere we ka South Sudan ne me heartbreaking situation ka jodan shalat ka je dor shal ka Atbara ka Sudan area mo gwan me South Sudanese tiketin ka family niken kan South Sudanese ti kaneti mo tichiren barka gwase da ne shi kur she to ga jere we ka South Sudan dor mo ka Atbara wa shi ne kontila de ni Sudanese ke Sudanese authority wa ci ku wen mo ka pet wa shi kan operation mo shi kan no ngane kon la ne kan la no shuga na kan ka kep ko bom netin kontin la Sudanese shu kan ka kamra re dulekin a chang na ran ho der kwa ka der ka kan chang ti ka yu te ga ji chang ti ke bi shu kan ka jo shu kan ka kep kan dial ka yur kan ka re torbiel an terbila mo shu ka la re de kan nang ka karar wich lo nang ka re wi ka South Sudan ne da konen shakebre doriken wa rudian kamen kana gad tieni kaniti dit ne da tie washin kan ka Atbara ka Sudan ka korun tun wana ga medan ko je to ka 2013 chune di al yuri ni bar chukan wa ka Sudan ko dong der ande tigre da lo gwatin mishin na me misha lakta ku memorize ke Sudanese ngai kone Sudan government ka kor chikon di alinga no gwade dan chirik chiku tuok ka chineri wan chik liu dor shal ka Al-Fashir. So right now go jeno na me dong atai dane chala jeno chi kuma South Sudan te kene ken te chicken rapid support force kan galwa ka dong jen dob dan go jeno dong te gari titene ti human right chicken la do melat ke me she chong kan na me violation ka international law ki ngoten content la jeno de tegran de jedil gang ka chicken refugee law chicken yarba ka jodan chalat wagu ki jeno ta chala de ken ne de ti wachi chong gore jeno ken menang kana ki lui kana jok de kan lat ka procedure kon nak je je de kan ka jago kan kwakin de kan kwakin kan ne to ke de kan nang ka kel de no bi kan ya camera dore kep kan ka bom kan nang kan ke tala ro na me chineri wan chi chu jelong gwan mo tele ka kwen tele ka piu tele ka kwaki gwa dande toitin cha jo mo cha jalat chi community ni dial chi ka reaction mi di kana lat ka ta dana cha na cha kep ke je kuma marwai ke Sudanese jo me jenda andi yen linka ta dan siek che to go je no ne di chit ke cha kep ko bom ka cha ga lojre we ka South Sudan gwan mi chu ke long tama tele kon ka tele kwak jen le dana go no de nyaa ye kel mi jiram jirit gwaz mene ka Changfied YouTube channel gor jen o jender subscribe ko de notification ba der je twan ko mi je temi bare gwas me da cho mala shubugaji an biya ta gamal bye bye